Okay, here we have a GrassFlap installation on a Maverick HD 60-inch deck. Here's the pedal mount. So the pedal bolts to the existing bolts that hold the deck lift assist. What you do to install it is drop this down to the lowest level, shim up the wheel just so that it doesn't drop off, pull these two bolts out, put the pedal back in under those bolts, and then you're off and going. Cable runs around the outside edge of the mower deck here. You can see when we open it up. So here's the nice thing about it. You open it up, everything goes. Let's take the pedal off, I'll manage the cable. Everything works good there. Routing wise, runs across here, a little magnet zip tie, holds it to the crossbar here. So we've got this, you can see underneath here, plenty of clearance for the pulleys in that. Here's what it looks like up under the deck. Okay, then we go over here to the other side, to the GrassFlap. Step across here. So here's the GrassFlap installed. You can see the pedal over on the far side. This is installed using a no drill mount. So this mount here, let me open it up. So this piece of steel right here bolts to the existing holes under the deck. All right. Then the GrassFlap bolts to that, so you can install it without having to drill any holes onto your deck. And operationally, same as all the other GrassFlaps, push and release to get it to operate. Let's see if we can show that. So, push and release to open it. If we push all the way down, it's just going to go halfway. So the motion is a push and release. Push and release. It'll stay fully open. It'll stay fully closed, and I can feather it anywhere I want to in between.